This is a delta audio amplifier. Now I am going to change the capacitor. We can see the oil coming out from the capacitor. The capacitor blast ready. For this case I am changing the capacitor. These two capacitor have to change. Now I am going to open these two capacitor. I am opening the capacitor. The capacitor blast maybe for the generator or the high voltage. They use generator after its make happen like that. The oil coming out from the capacitor, or the capacitor blast ready. Both capacitor are blast. Now I'm going to change the capacitor only. Have to clean everywhere. This is a delta 7001 amplifier. Just going to check the capacitor. The capacitor looks like okay. Its problem is oil coming out from the capacitor, but inside everything is okay. Only the oil coming out from the capacitor. For this case the voltage has no pressure. Making short. Look, it's showing okay, but it has no oil. Have to change. Both are same. Its connection okay, only no oil inside. Has no oil. The MFD cannot increase. Look, MFD cannot increase. Must have to change this type of capacitor. The MFD only showing. MFD showing like okay. Look, it increasing. But we cannot use this capacitor because of the oil. Last I have to change. Let's check the capacitor. Look, now this two capacitor have to change. Now I am using this two. Capacitor. The old one has no weight, low weight. Has weight but low weight. It has low weight, but it has weight. Right one has low weight. Inside maybe has nothing. Tomorrow I will open this capacitor and I will check. Now I am just opening. Now I have no time. Tomorrow I will make another video to open this capacitor. Tomorrow I will open this capacitor. Today I have no time. Inside has nothing. Inside has nothing. Look, inside has maybe something like this. Always use this type of heavy capacitor. Now I am fixing it. Must check the polarity, positive and negative. Make sure whose leg is positive and whose leg is negative. Have to be sure. Here also have to check the polarity, positive leg and negative leg. Make sure. If you make wrong, then the capacitor will blast like a bomb. So for this case, be careful about to fixing the capacitor. It's a Brother Electronics Mike Putti Joshua. If you want any kinds of amplifier, you can contact with us from the screen number, and also you can comment us. Have to be tight. This is the switch, on off switch wire. Fixing with the screw. This amplifier has no problem. Just I change the capacitor only. Now I fixed ready. I'm going to check. Switching, it's loading. Okay, now working. Thank you for watching the video. It's Brother Electronics, my Putti Joshua. You can call us from the screen number. Thank you.